Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. This is a screenshot that I don't share very often, but this is one of my favorite workspaces where I'm able to look at a number of different time frames from a single window. And in this particular case, earlier today, Thomas Wood let me know that there was an opportunity forming in the natural gas market. So we actually bought a few contracts and took advantage. But here's what we're looking at essentially is the bullish divergence here where the market, natural gas, has dipped down into moderately undervalued, and then we have a higher reading here on the MQ momentum indicator. And so each of these 5 panes are designed to show me a different time frame. I'm looking at 120-minute bars here, and then going over to 60-minute bars here, I'm seeing kind of a similar thing happen here. Strong downward momentum, weaker downward momentum, and undervalued price levels, which give me the bullish divergence scenario. And then again, we're seeing kind of a similar type thing form on the 30-minute charts as well. Now, if you look longer term, I don't really see anything clearly defined on the weekly here, but on the daily, I could make an argument that if things stopped right here and reversed higher, that we would have a beautiful bullish divergence in play on the daily basis as well. But in my mind, the most clearly formed one is on the 120-minute basis, and a lot of times you see this happening. So this is an opportunity again we're taking advantage of. I'm going to go ahead and open up the charting window. You can see the actual trades that we submitted in buying in on this, and see where our trade is right now. Zooming in on the trade, we can see from the 1-minute basis that we accumulated 5 contracts within this whole region here, being moderately undervalued on a 120-minute chart. But I wanted you to just be able to see how we accumulated that position there. And even within the context of a 1-minute chart, we can really see, if you look at the MQ momentum indicator, see how that's really starting to strengthen here. So the indicator line with where we got in was higher than the previous sell-off, and then it just continues to weaken on the downside and strengthen on the upside. Right now we've got about $1,200 made on this trade. So things are progressing very nicely here. Really, the worst case risk scenario is very acceptable here. And this really does have quite a bit of upside potential. At least right now I can look to move my stop up to break even since the market has really surged higher here. Let me pull up a 5-minute chart. This gives you an idea on a 5-minute basis what we were looking at with respect to buying undervalued. Again, we were doing it on a 120-minute basis. And looking at a 30-minute chart here, yeah, you get the idea. So we were basically, with the 30-minute chart, it really formed a nice situation because we had the sell-off pressure on the MQ momentum really very weak here, and then we see a very nice follow through to the upside. And this is all moderately undervalued basis the 120-minute and 60-minute charts. So right now we're in the driver's seat. I'm going to move my stop up to break even. So it's all upside from here, and looks like we've gotten in at a very nice location. Thomas Wood, great call. He's doing great in the trading room. These are the types of trades he's always looking for in the live trading room. That we'll continue to follow this market. I'm going to hold on here to see if we have any more substantial upside with this trade. Thanks for watching.